Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check. Mike, do y'all see the sign behind me? We at McDonald's, which means we trying they spicy chicken nuggets. Do y'all see what's across the street? Wendy's, which means we also trying they spicy chicken nuggets. We comparing the two. Let's get it. So since I'm already over here at McDonald's, we're gonna go ahead and order these nuggets first.
What can I get for you?
Can I get the 10-piece spicy nugget?
The meal or just spicy nuggets?
Just the nuggets.
Any sauce?
Ranch, please.
What else?
That'll be it.
Alright, your total is $4.68.
This is every time I come to McDonald's. What they gotta do? Thank you. You too. So my other taste test videos, I kind of do them like one at a time. But this time, I'm gonna get them both and then compare them. Like I'm gonna have them both at the same time. Two sets of nuggets at the same time. At the same time. Okay. That will be it.
That is 217. Thank you.
Okay. Crap, y'all. I forgot to press record. But anyways, Wendy's here. See, McDonald's got a 10-piece. Wendy's, I got a 6-piece spicy nugget. Thank you. You too. Oh, Wendy's, they need to change their grease out. It stank. It smell like day old chili. That's probably what it was. Oh, gosh. Did y'all see that? That man at Wendy's practically threw that bag at me. I'm tired of these fast food workers treat me like this. I am a paying customer. So, y'all, which one? Let me move this mask out the way. Which one should I try first? Let's go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. If he holler, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny. Inky, pinky, ponky. Daddy had a donkey. Donkey died. Daddy cried. Inky, pinky, pong. Bubble gum in a dish. How many pieces? You know what? I'm just going to eat the McDonald's first. So, wait, before I dig into my food, somebody asked me, did you wash your hands last time you ate that food in the car? And I was like, yeah, I washed my hands. But so y'all can see I got some hand sanitizer. Oh, and it smells good too. Okay, McDonald's spicy nuggets. Hi. Okay. Let's go. Yep, I know I won't be eating that one. So the 10-piece nugget, as y'all heard, it was like $4. Y'all see that? Like magic, boy. Magic. Like $4 and something for like 10 nuggets or whatever. And then the 6-piece nugget at Wendy's is like $2.17. So, I mean, y'all do the math. Hopefully y'all done been to school and learn how to divide and multiply and add and subtract and things. So, spicy nuggets from McDonald's. Okay. Not too bad. So, what makes it spicy, I guess, is the crust. Oh, there's a fly in here. Get out of here. Get out. Get. Okay, there you go. So what makes it spicy, yeah. But it ain't like, I mean, it's got the heat to it, but it's subtle. But it's touching that little tingling thing that's swinging in the back of my throat. All right. Of course, that ranch to cool it down a little bit. McDonald's, I think you own something. I think you owe me something. Now, everybody know Wendy's is the OG of spicy nuggets. Everybody knows Wendy's is the OG to spicy nuggets. So I got 6 of them. Bam. You know what I should have did first? Let me cleanse my palate. Okay. I gotta be real careful with these spicy, with the Wendy's nuggets, because I only got 6 of them. Well, 5 now because I just ate one. But I don't know. Again, like the what gives Wendy's nuggets their heat is that little crust on the outside. I don't know. They both good. I don't know, y'all. They are both good. Now let me try it with they ranch. Yo, this is so hard. Both nuggets are not, hold on, let me swallow this food. So both nuggets are not like hot out the grease fresh, but they'll work. They'll do. I don't know. This is really hard. I really can't decide. I really can't decide. McDonald's, Wendy's. McDonald's, Wendy's. It's a tie. It's a tie. I cannot choose. I'm gonna say both of them. They both a 10 out of 10. I mean, it just is what it is. I will say this. So like Wendy's nuggets are more softer. And like versus McDonald's nuggets. McDonald's nuggets are like more crispier on the outside. They have more of a crunch than Wendy's though. They both have their own like unique flavor. But as far as taste goes, I don't know. It's really hard to compare. Y'all know what helped me break the tie? Burger King has spicy nuggets too. I'm finna try theirs as well. Bonus footage! Ah!
Welcome to Burger King. When I take your order.
Oh yes, can I get an 8-piece spicy nugget?
Do you want the sauce?
Ranch, please.
What else for you?
That'll be it.
109.
Somebody ready to get off work. Dang, girl. I'm telling y'all, I'm tired of these folks treat me like this. I'm a loyal customer. I come in, I know what I want. My order is, I don't know. I guess I'll be feeling like that too if I work fast food. Well, no, I did work fast food and I didn't act like that towards folks. But I did hate drive-through, so I kind of feel their pain. No, I had an 8-piece spicy nugget.
What was yours?
The 8-piece spicy nugget.
8-piece spicy.
Can I get some ranch? Isn't it? Thanks. Okay, so my phone was getting hot up on here, this dashboard, so I had to take it down. That's why it's from that weird angle. But let me pull over here. Okay, so the 8-piece spicy nuggets from Burger King was $1.08. Come in this little packaging right here. Or whatever. They smell burnt. We'll check it out. All right. Well, this concludes our spicy nugget challenge. Wendy's, McDonald's, you did your thing. Burger King, stick to making Whoppers. Don't make no more chicken nuggets at all.